Say, we're going to fix our railroad tracks. And look right.
We're gonna fix our railroad tracks.
Okay. When he says action, you look right at the camera and you tell him what we're going to do. Okay? Ready?
Action.
What are we going to do here? I don't know. What are you going to do? What are we going to fix? Oh, okay. Now you're all shy. Okay. Yeah. When I need a little thing to fix a little project that we're working on with the kids, you know, I come here to National Hardware. It's a local hardware store, and that's where I want to spend my money, not to where it's going to go out to corporate America. Yep, training my little daughter to fix everything that she needs by herself, and she can get it here at National Hardware.